give you my heart.
What's up? What's going on, YouTube? CLC checking in with another live video. This video here will be not as long as other videos, but we just want to give you guys an insight on some of the DIYs me and my wife did, like with the baby room, the nursery that we put together. And I think I did a DIY, on my truck. Just in case you guys, you know what I'm saying, you run into some things and you want to do it yourself, and it's very possible. Especially some of the things my wife did, like the M in the picture frame. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna see it. I'm gonna let you see it in the video. But as far as my truck, I had a wheel bearing issue to go out on my truck, and on my note, that's a common issue. Although I didn't actually show how, you know what I'm saying, I did it, but I kind of went through and gave you insight on what it would take to get it done. Like, it's only 6 bolts. You got the axle nut, 2 on the caliper bracket, and 3 on the wheel hub assembly itself. From there, it's easy peasy, lemon squeezy, as my little boy would say, a little Martin. Yeah, that's it. That's basically it. We want to share that with you guys. So, you want to do some things yourself, like as far as paint, changing tables, we did that, and other stuff. Just watch the video, check it out, comment below, let us know what you think. That's it, Classic Claus checking out.
Proud of my DIYs. Daddy and I and Travis is making the baby room. Love the DIY.
What's up? What's going on, YouTube? Classic Claus checking in. What you guys see here is a shot wheel bearing and a hub assembly. See how the bearings, all the bearings out. It done came completely apart. This the ABS line right here. Go down here, show you. Yeah, man, you want to get something done, don't wait on nobody else to do it. If you can do it yourself, man. Here, you see what we working with. This the CV axle right here. The knuckle. It was only like 1, 2, 3 plus the caliber bracket, 2 bolts, and the axle nut. And from that point, man, it was off. Of course, I had to beat it because it was kind of jammed up against her, so I used this trickle fork right here, and see this was a screwdriver, but as you can see, I I completed the modest dip trying to get this thing up, man. But finally got it off with this heavy duty right here. Yeah, got it off. So now, right now, I'm sitting here waiting on UPS to come, man, so I can go and put the part that I took off on, so my truck will be back on the road. But yeah, I'm not sure if I have a CV axle problem. It doesn't look to be broken, and I'm not sure, but I got one just in case, you know. And that's not nothing either. It's only like, see those bolts? It's only 6 of those bolts. Once you take those 6 bolts loose, the CV also drops down. You might have to remove the stabilizer bar right here just to get it out. I'm not sure. I haven't attempted to do that, so I'm not sure if it'll come out just by dropping those 6 bolts. But I've watched videos and they had to remove that stabilizer bar in order to remove that. Other than that, man, it's a wrap. I'm just waiting to they bring my parts. I'm gonna put it on, man. You know how UPS, they seem to take all day to bring shit over here. But anywho, patience is a virtue. I ain't in no hurry. I want to take my time and do it right. All right. As you guys can see, I got the new hub assembly on here. A few minutes after I recorded the first video, UPS ended up pulling up on me while I was outside. I was like, man, you right on time. But anywho, y'all see, like I was saying, them 3 bolts, they go 1, there's another one down there, 2, there's 1 on this side, 3. It's in a triangle shape. I put those 3 back in there as I was putting the hub assembly back on so it can hold up there. Well, I tightened this down first because this bolt here is a son of a gun. I don't know if you can see. Can I get it? Right there. See, it's right above the knuckle. So I had to get a swivel ratchet to tighten that up so I can get in there by this boot. Would have been much easier with the CV axle out, but I managed to get it on there. And these, the other ones, they were pretty easy. Where I ran into a hiccup at is torquing it down. As you can see, guys, I have a torque wrench, but I don't have an extension or a socket that can fit this small thing right here. I don't have one, so that's kind of, you know what I'm saying, put me in a bind. But what I'm just gonna do is do this the old-fashioned way, is just tighten them down and the best I know how, you know. And maybe later on down the road, sometime sooner, I have someone to torque them down to the torque specs. But I'm about to continue putting this together. Here's my rotor. I had to take it off also. It's kind of hard to record while doing this, so I'm gonna be right back, guys. Okay, I got my rotor on. I had cleaned it off with some brake cleaner. Make sure all the dirt and grime and oil was off of it. I really need some rotors also. They're not too bad, but I just want to get something to be on the safe side, you know. Alright, YouTube. As you can see, I got the tie back on. Everything put back together. I done did my test drive. And guess what? No more scrubbing and squilling. I fixed my problem. Like I said, wasn't nothing wrong with the axle, like I was told from a shade tree mechanic. But ain't nothing wrong with that axle. It's in perfectly fine shape. And that one is fine too. I jacked it up and did the test on 12 and 6 o'clock, and I think it's 9 and 3. No wiggle. Period. Solid. So the wheel burns are fine on that side. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much all it is. It's a done deal. I'm so tired. But alright, y'all. I'm about to go in here and clean up. Wash myself up. Get myself together. Relax and enjoy my job well done. I mean, you can pretty much do anything you put your mind to. Like I said, if you got the tools to do it, you can get it done. And all I used were hand tools. I didn't have like an impact drill or anything like that, which it would have made it faster. And here in the near future, I will be investing in a pressure compressor and air tools for these instances, you know. That way I can do things myself. Yep. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is the old. I already put the new on. This thing was destroyed, man. I didn't know what was going on, man. It didn't give me any signs before doing this either. It just, I was going through a light. You know how you try to beat the light before it turned red or whatever. And when I hit the gas, all of a sudden, my driver tire was whoa, 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 whoa. I thought maybe, you know, my tire was flat or I had a flat tire or whatever. But when I turned around and came back home, I looked at all my tires were straight. This was my problem the entire time. But now I got it fixed, so I'm a happy soldier. Alright guys, I hope you all have a blessed one, and this was helpful. Although I didn't show you the how to take it apart, I just showed you what it requires, you know. 3 bolts, the axle nut, and the 2 on the caliper bracket. And after you remove the caliper bracket, the rotor comes off, and this is behind that. This is really, this right here is attached to this. But as you can see, mine fell apart, but the new part came with it attached. So yeah. Alright guys.
I gave you my heart.